Hey guys, and here I'm trying to disassemble this deck, and I can quickly tell that this deck is about the Nakamichi LX-3 because it has the same construction with the front panel, which has lots of connectors. You see, I'm already disconnected a few, but there is more coming. Quite interesting solution. And like to get to the tape transport, we need to remove front panel because it's connected just from the front panel here. Why? Here is a record switch, so it pulls by tape transport like that. And here is a large switch which works. Switch and source tape. Here is a record playback head connector, and a rise head connector goes to the different board somewhere on the other side here. All in all, easy to access, really. Easier than like the X7 or Nakamichi Dragon, but design pretty the same. And like everything is original, so it's a first service. You see original belt here, like that. So let's make this brighter. So original belts, original, all wires has been zip tied. It's all original. So I'm just like cracking the zip ties and disassembling, and I'm the first serviceman for this deck. That's what I like to see. I don't like when guys try like to do some work they are not qualified. Alright, let me continue pull up tape transport and we will disassemble it. See you. Okay, and here I am open it. I confirm that it's the first service for this deck because this wire has been connected to this plate with the original zip tie, and you cannot open it without removing zip ties. As you may see, I'm already learned how to disassemble these decks quick. So it was a little bit tricky, so I had to also disconnect this board to be able to pull out tape transport out there. It's built like a little bit differently than the X7. When like the X7 you can remove front panel before removing tape transport. Here this wire cannot be pulled between tape transport and the chassis, so it requires a little bit of exercise. Also I had to unsolder the wire from this motor. In this deck it has a hole in the board, and you just put in the hole and solder it back. In other decks it was a wire which was connected on top, so I believe it was last moment fixed. This is later deck and design a little bit improved. Okay, let me see. Let me make sure that I will assemble it back. I will replace idler, put lubricant everywhere needed, and assemble it back. So you see pretty nice bearings, no wear. Good. See you soon, guys. And here's the belt, just for the case. You see, this deck has been sitting for quite a while to have these belts. Remember its form. See you. Bye-bye. Hey guys, and I assembled the capstans and like back side, and currently working on the front side. So you see this pinch roller arm is working fine, but this one is stuck. Luckily I can rotate it. I have seen cases when I cannot rotate it at all, so I will try to lower it and put some oil underneath to make sure it will start working smoothly. It's already, you see, gets better and better, and as soon as I would be able to work it out, I will push it back down there and put oil on the shaft, and then we'll do more exercises to make it working. Okay, hope this will help you. Bye bye. Well, I tried hard, but finally I just pull it out because it don't make this arm go free. So now I will use vise to push a shaft out, then clean everything out, lubricate and assemble back. The only thing I would need to gently make sure that I will put a proper height for this guide. See you soon. Guys, in here I just adjusted the height, so our tape would be easily go to the guide. So, not so complicated as you may think, right? Just use these pliers to push it back slowly and gently. See you in the next part. Okay guys, and here I'm continue assembling, and first thing first, I just replaced these 4 orange guys, which sit here in the bias generator, because it's 100 volt and higher voltages there, and these guys are famous to blow, and bias generator we will short, transistors will fire, and your transformer will be heated, and you will have a pretty smelly, bad smelly deck. Okay? So next, let's me prepare and connect everything, and let's start testing what we get here. See you soon. Hey guys, I just completed tuning metal tape bias, and it's TDK MA tape installed. So let's see how this guy's records. I have checked it up, so this like immaculate deck plays my frequency response tape with no loss up to 20 kilohertz, same as DR2, and it's in phase now. Phase was off, and that was like the root cause. Like all electric adjustments has been like screwed. I don't know, like it was significantly off. I put back phase, and I reduced it bias. It was like 4 decibel higher than needed. Okay, on all tapes. So now let's see how it will record. Alright, we recording 1 kilohertz, minus 20 decibel. It will be minus 20 here, so 0. See here, 1 kilohertz. So I will make sure that you will see oscilloscope. So 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Let's do pause here, so we would be able to identify frequency a little bit later when we will be playing back, because it's 2-head deck. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Right? 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. I believe after 21 it gets down. 22, 23, 20, 15, 10, 1 kilohertz. Now let's rewind and play it back. Okay, it's 1 kilohertz. 5 kilohertz plus 1, 10 kilohertz plus 1, and it's strictly in phase. What I like. That's 15 plus 1.5, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, minus 1 decibel, 22, 23, you see drop, 20, 0 drop, 15 plus 1.5, 10 kilohertz plus 1 decibel, 1 kilohertz is back. Alright, you see what a nice deck it is. I'm so happy. Thank you. See you. Bye bye.